If you are having issues with Wi-Fi on your iPhone, either it's slow or not connecting to a specific Wi-Fi network, you can try a Wi-Fi or network reset. To do that, we can go to Settings, go to General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, click Reset, and we're going to do a Reset Network Settings. And we just have to confirm that we want to do this. So this will remove any Wi-Fi networks on our iPhone, including Wi-Fi passwords. It will also reset any mobile data settings, any VPN settings or APN settings. So if we click Reset Network Settings, it will reset it and it will restart our iPhone, and it will put all our factory settings on for the Wi-Fi. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.